Well guys, here's the project for today. Should be pretty straightforward and simple till I tear up a gas line or something. It's Monday, so man, why is it so dang dark? If it can happen, it will, but what we're gonna do is just dig this out, put some gravel in here. Just gonna put a little barn up. I brought the Harley rake. We're gonna go to Idaho's after this and do his yard, and man, it's so hard digging. I'm gonna go ahead and Harley rake it up so it's nice. We gotta dig them shrubs out there and get rid of them. That's the game plan. Let's get it. Did I mention it's Monday? It's always Monday. It's like we're planing out the dirt. So dang hard. It's like planing asphalt. So much easier to dig now. Man, it's dusty. Didn't turn out too bad. I tell you what, having a Harley rake made a huge difference. And even now too, this is all workable when you want to edge it. So I'm gonna run, take trailer off, run, grab a load of 53 limestone, do my favorite thing, do some trucking, and then I'll probably take that load. I gotta find a place to go with it. Yeah, well, let's go get the trailer and hook. Get on the road. I'll tell you what, if I use this trailer bunch, I think I would invest in some sort of hydraulic jack. Guess I'm getting my workout in, but it's one of those things. If it can save you money, spend the money on it. Do it right. Just like the speed binders. It's like I'm doing aerobics. I'm doing the Jane Fonda workout. This is the felling workout. Right here saves me time. That camera. How many times in and out of the cab? So guys, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna leave this trailer parked here with this ramp down. So hopefully some meth head tweaker comes around in this corner about 45, kicks it down, gets up to about, I would hope to say gets up to about 80, 85, hits this trailer like this, barrel rolls into, we'll go ahead and barrel roll through the neighbor's house. That'd be bitching, wouldn't it? If it can happen, it will. Leave it up to those meth head tweakers. Now, if Hammer was here, he'd be mad at me because he got me for Christmas a men working sign. I should have brought that and stuck it out. I didn't. Just another thing I had to grab, put in my cab. It's a meth head tweaker trap. Let's get it. Truck driving. New point, here we come. Got our back with our first load of gravel. Let's get this thing knocked down. back at the pit here for load 2. They always try to get close to this stuff here where they're crushing it. All the dust. That's the good stuff. Packs. Tailgate's all good. Got the gravel graded now. Gotta load up all this brush I gotta get rid of. Had to hand work all that in there. Whew, I'm out of shape. Out of shape. It's hard to stay in shape or get in shape when you don't have a goal. Back in the day when I was riding and racing, it was easy to go run or do whatever. Try to better yourself for the weekend. I guess the goal could be to live longer. Feathering back all these edges here by the gravel. See, that's another reason that good to have that Harley rake, man. It made this stuff workable. When I was trying it at first, all it was big clumps. Always got to have a big rock in there messing up your game. Tell you what, it is Monday too. Mondays are a real thing. What do you guys think? How'd that turn out? Not too bad. Well guys, that's it for this one. I'm gonna go grab a load of gravel, dump it in the basement we backfilled, then I gotta drop that and the Harley rake off at Idaho's house. He wants to, he got some topsoil we gotta give his yard some finishing touches. Guys, like always, it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure doing business with you guys. Till the next one, you guys know what to do.